Hey guys, what's up? I'm Indrajit and you're watching Enthusiast. I hope the voice might be a little bit scrappy because of the wind, but bear with me. So I'm staying at Panchgani and the Zostel. So the property is like real good. You really need to check it out. So this video is all about it. We'll just have a look across Zostel Panchgani. There we go. So this is how you enter into Zostel Panchgani. And like just near to the entrance there is this really beautiful wall art done. Then you get into the main area. So basically these are the dormitories, like they're kind of containers, and you can stay in those dormitories. So it is like really good. You get that mountain view. This is the common area. You can stay here. You can play a lot of fun games. They've got foosball as well. Let's see what else they have got. They have all these sets of various games. They have Othello, they have Jenga, they have this Pictionary. They have a lot of games. And now we head to our dorm. So it is like rainy. I need to really save my camera because it isn't in the waterproof shield. So if you're looking to stay up here, the per day cost is for one bunk bed is 700 rupees. It's quite good considerably. Okay, now we come to my dormitory. It's right here. So this is the view you get from Zostel Panchgani. And right there is my bunk bed. So you have the charging plug right here. You have a small lamp in case you wanna read in darkness or like in night. Here is a big mirror, like you can do your self-obsession in here. There are like 6 bunk beds in one dormitory, and here comes the sink. And I don't know, yeah, there it is. This is the sink. This is the bathroom if you wanna have some quick shower or something. And this right here is Sulabh Shauchalaya, and that is your hot seat. So this is it guys, that's all. This is Zostel Panchgani's tour video. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys have liked it, you can come here or just subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Bye bye.